Hey plant gang, I'm standing here in front of Crataegus viridis, the green hawthorn. Now hawthorns are small trees used particularly for the home landscape, but also for commercial landscapes, but really when you need a spring flowering tree. But there's another thing with Crataegus, it also tends to give you fruit towards the end of the season that also can be quite beautiful. Fruit in the winter that actually persists through the winter that can be quite beautiful. The bark is quite nice as well in Crataegus. It's got almost strips of color that go through the bark that's quite nice. The one thing about Crataegus is a lot of times they'll have thorns. You can pick cultivars with less thorns. Crataegus viridis has less thorns than some other species of Crataegus. This one's starting to get some of the fruit going on it right now. Here in eastern Tennessee, Crataegus does suffer a little bit from heat stress, I believe, in the summertime, in particular because of a lack of cool nights, but you can get by with it. It has a few problems, some rust problems that can happen with Crataegus, but overall a pretty sturdy, small tree for the home landscape. Crataegus viridis, the green hawthorn, this plant is rosaceous. It's in the Rosaceae family, and so that whole family has a list of diseases and insects that it's susceptible to. The tree gets about 20 to 35 foot high, can spread out 20 to 35 foot wide. Upright, kind of rounded crown overall with this tree. Purple reddish fall color. Hardy from zones 4 through 7. So again, here in eastern Tennessee, we're bumping right up against its heat tolerance. Now this plant has beautiful bark, slightly exfoliating with kind of cinnamon undertones to that exfoliating bark. Can have a few problems with suckering from the bottom of this plant. You can just kind of nip those suckers off if possible. But one that can be used and can be used well. Here's a landscape tip. Excellent tree for seasonal variation. White flowers in summer, purple red fall color, and red berries from fall through winter. Winter King is a great cultivar.